Hi students, good evening. Welcome to this video session. My name is Samuel Dominic Chukwuemeka, aka Sam Dom for Peace. In this video session, we shall use the TI-84 Plus family to calculate the descriptive statistics of an ungrouped data set. The data set we shall be using in this video can be found in the link. I'm going to paste the link that you see in this video. When you click on that link, you can see the videos of the data set we will use for this particular video. It's going to be the data set for ungrouped data, and of course the descriptive statistics includes the measures of center and the measures of spread. So we have done this in video, of which I will paste the link in this video, and you can verify your answers by viewing those videos, the measures of center for ungrouped data and the measures of spread for ungrouped data. So that is this data set we will be using in this video. Okay, we've done it by hand in the link I will post on this video. And in this video, we are just going to use the TI-84 Plus calculator to do it. On group data, you have the data and you have the frequency. So that is the ungrouped data. The first thing we want to do, we want to click on Start, which means Statistics. Please, it will be, before you continue with this video, it is recommended that you view the video prior to it. So you have a video playlist. If you go to my website, you have a video playlist on TI-84 Plus tutorials. So when you click on that link on my website, you will see the tutorials that I do using the TI-84 Plus. So it's good you view the video prior to this video in that playlist. You know, it's good if you view the video prior to it. But even if you don't view it, that's fine. So you click on Start, which means Statistics, and you want to click on 1. Okay, right now it's on 1, so you can press the Enter key or you can just press 1. It doesn't matter to edit it. We have the list to fill here, so we're going to enter the data set here, X, and this data set are the ages of the 2016 presidential candidates. That is, as at 2016, their ages were. So we have 45, we have 48, we have 53. Each one you enter, you can press the Enter key. You have 54, you have 55, 58, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 68, 70, 71, 75. Okay, once you finish pressing 75, you press the Enter key to make sure that it was taken, that the data's value was recorded. So we have 16 different ages of the presidential candidates. Okay, last year, the US presidential candidates. Now let's go and enter the frequency. Let's enter the frequency. So I just, I moved the cursor key. You can just move this cursor key. I used the keyboard to move the cursor key and to get to the list, another list, which this will now be a frequency. So you had 3 candidates that we have, and if you look at this is list 2, the first data entry. So you had frequency tells you the number of occurrence of a data value. So you had 3 candidates that were 45 years last year. You had a candidate that was 48. You had 2 candidates that were 53 years. 1 candidate was 54 years. 1 candidate was 55. 1 was 58. 2 candidates were 61 years. 1 was 62 years. 3 candidates were 63 years. 1 candidate was 64. 2 candidates were 65. 2 candidates were 66 years. 1 candidate was 68 years. 2 candidates were 70 years. 1 candidate was 71 years. And 1 candidate was 75. I hope you know the candidate that was 75 years, right? Okay, so this is the data and this is the frequency. The data are the ages of the 2016 presidential candidates during the 2016 presidential election. And these were the number of candidates that were this age. That's your frequency. So once you finish this, entering this, you want to press Start Statistics. And you want to move the cursor to Calculate. Okay, you want to move it to the Calculate. And of course, this is still one variable statistics. The only, it's just the variable here are the ages of the presidential candidates. So it's still one variable statistics, even though you had frequency. Okay, you just have one variable, which is the variable are the ages of the presidential candidates, of the 2016 presidential candidates. So it's on 1, you can either press 1 or you press the Enter key. So we come to the list. We want to make sure it's L1, that is the list. We press the down cursor to take us to the frequency list is L2. We make sure it's L2. Okay? And that's the frequency list. And then we take it down more and it is on Calculate. Once you see it blinking on Calculate, you press Enter. And there you get the one variable statistics. You can view the video to, to make sure, these are what we got in the video as well. So the mean is 60.36. The sample standard deviation is 8.5629044492. This is the population standard deviation. And this means that you could keep going. This down arrow means that you still have more data. Okay. So if you click on it, you see the 5-number summary. The minimum, the first quartile or the Q1, the median or the second quartile, which is your Q2. In that video, we got 63. The third quartile or the upper quartile, and the maximum. Okay. So those are your descriptive statistics of the data. I hope you understand it. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you, and you have a good evening.